Hello friends, Nagina Sharma welcome you in BOKARO garden. Friends, on your demand, English version of Azalea flowering plant is given today.
Hello friends, have a very nice day today. On behalf of BOKARO garden, please watch video on Azalea flowering plant in English. Its main features are, it is genus Rhododendron family Ericaceae. It is evergreen permanent plant. Its flowers come in many colors. Its flowers looks very beautiful like rose without thorn. And its flowers bloom in winter time in India, Asia, and during spring in Europe. It can be planted indoor or outdoor, and it can also be grown by seeds or cuttings. It is a shrub plant. Its branches are woody. It dislikes direct sunlight, so it must be kept in shady area, and it likes acidic soil with 4.5 to 6 pH value. Now take a pot like this and put the stone in its drainage hole, on its drainage hole. Drainage hole has been blocked, and this coconut husk also has been kept. Now we will prepare the soil mix. So we are using 40% coco peat and 40% this ground soil with sand, compost, etc. And here is the vermicompost. So this will also be added to this. And this is the bone meal. So a little bit of bone meal is also added to this. Now I am mixing all these gradients of the soil in very well manner. So now soil has been put in the pot, and it is slowly it should be pressed. And now we will take the plant and keep this. This is not to be removed. The ball should not be disturbed. It should be kept as it is, and then the soils inside we will put like this. One thing is important, we have added bone meal fertilizer because it acts as a slow release fertilizer. Now we will come to water. This should be well drained. Water should not log, because if it logs, it may rot the roots. So the soil should be moist always, and water should not be logging because it may rot the roots. We will put the water like this. Now about fertilizers. When the plant gets stabilized after some time, then give vermicompost, cow dung, bone meal, neem powder, leaf fertilizer, tea or coffee fertilizer. Out of all this, add only one fertilizer at a time, and that also in monthly frequency, per month. During winter, you can use NPK 19-19-19 ratio or 10-10-10, but never use chemical fertilizers in summer. Regarding mulching, you can do it in various ways, but rice husk is very important because it decomposes. When it decomposes, it makes the soil acidic, which this plant likes. Like this. Regarding pests, this plant may be attacked by lace bugs or a spider mite. So use neem oil or cow urine to get rid of these pests. Regarding pruning, after flowers stop blooming, prune the plant to keep it good. So friends, plant it, enjoy it. The flowers remain bloomed for 7 to 10 days, and if you feel better, please like, subscribe, comment and share, and ask questions regarding this. We will meet again with another video. Bye.